Ordered the 62-ounce stainless steel coffee canister. It's super cute. I could fit a little bit more on that. Not much. .6 ounces. Couldn't even fit a 22-ounce container in there. That's what I have left. I could fit a little bit more in there, but it's not gonna fit all this. Plus I already made coffee. So that's a lot of grounds. There's no way that's fitting in there.
I just took this coffee canister out of the shipping box. As you see, the lid does not sit properly on the canister and doesn't close right unless I force it and I push it like this. So its natural position is not aligned with the canister. And I'm returning this. It's extremely flimsy and the manufacturing standards are substandard.
Ei, tô gravando vídeo.